What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I am doing some large knotless box braids, and I'm going to be doing free parts today, which is something a little bit different than what I typically do. And as you guys can see, my client has some very long, nice, healthy, beautiful hair. So I was super excited to do this style today. As always, all the products that I'm using will be listed in the description section, including the hair. So if you guys tune into my live stream, I was like, I'm not telling you guys what combination color of hair I used today, but I'm going to tell you guys in this video that I used a 350 and a 30. Some of you guys had called it out in my live. So the 350 is kind of like that burnt orange color, and the 30 is like a rusty brown. They're very similar colors to each other, but I think they were just very complementary when I mixed them together. So you guys can definitely see like the kind of mixture of that color in the hair. Today I left all of my braiding in regular speed for you guys, just so you guys can see how I'm actually adding it in. I typically do speed my clips up, but this time I was like, let me slow it down for you guys. Also, I am going to be doing my best to tuck, and it is a lot harder for me to tuck with knotless box braids, mainly at the root, not necessarily like once I get an inch down. So I was actually really proud of how well I tucked these in this video. Everything else that I'm going to be doing in this video today is very self-explanatory, so I am going to let you guys just watch this video and enjoy watching me work. guys, this here is my finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely love this style, and you guys showed it so much love on Instagram. If you don't already, make sure you guys check my handles in the bottom right corner and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Also, if you guys love watching me work, I go live every Thursday at 9 p.m. That's Pacific time. And I also have just been going live a lot when I'm in the salon working, because I noticed a lot of people have been liking that. So make sure you guys click the notification bell next to the subscribe, so YouTube will let you guys know when I'm live. My lives are always lit and just so much fun. And yeah, make sure you guys share this video, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys next time. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?